Imagine you see her. Your heart starts racing. Your mind screams 1,000 excuses. You freeze, and just like that, the moment dies. What if I told you there's a stupidly simple rule that stops this from happening every single time? It's called the 3-second rule. And if you keep ignoring it, you'll stay stuck exactly where you are. The 3-second rule is brutal in its simplicity. The exact moment you see someone you want to talk to, you have 3 seconds to move. No thinking. No what if she rejects me. No planning the perfect line. Just move. Why only 3 seconds? Because that's how long it takes your brain to flood you with fear. Your amygdala, that ancient lizard part of your brain that wants to keep you safe, kicks in and completely paralyzes you. Dark psychology truth. Hesitation is self-sabotage. Every extra second you wait, your confidence dies a little more. I used to be that guy standing in the corner, watching opportunities walk away. Over 100 failed approaches playing out in my head before I even opened my mouth. Then I forced myself to follow the 3-second rule for 30 days straight. The results were real. Conversations started flowing easier. Rejection stopped feeling like death. My entire vibe shifted from invisible to magnetic. This isn't some old pickup artist bullshit from 2012. This is raw psychological warfare against your own fear. Here's exactly how to use it in 2026. First, spot the trigger. Your eyes lock, your heart jumps, that's your cue. Second, count in your head, 1, 2, 3 and move. Third, take the minimum viable action. Walk over, smile and say anything. Hey, I saw you and had to come say hi. That's it. Fourth, detach from the outcome. This isn't about getting her number. This is about training your nervous system to stop being afraid of rejection. Pro tip, start small. Use it on baristas, strangers in line, people at the gym. Build the muscle before you go for the high-stakes situations. And here's a powerful dark psychology stack. While you're counting, reframe it in your head. She's just a normal human, not a goddess judging me. That single thought destroys most of the anxiety, biggest mistakes people make. Waiting for the perfect moment, it never comes. Overthinking the opener, just speak. And quitting after one rejection, this is a numbers game. Real talk. Most guys watching this right now will nod their heads, feel motivated for 5 minutes, and then do absolutely nothing tomorrow. That's exactly why their life never changes. The ones who actually apply the 3-second rule become unstoppable. They stop being the nice guy waiting for permission. Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, use the 3-second rule at least 3 times every single day. Track it. If you're brave, film your attempts faceless style. Advanced move. Combine it with strong eye contact and a genuine smile. That combination is pure dark psychology. People can't help but respond positively. I remember one time I saw this girl in a bookstore. Old me would have overthought it for 5 minutes. 3-second me walked straight up, made a comment about the book she was holding, and ended up in a 20-minute conversation that actually went somewhere. Simple as that. The 3-second rule isn't magic. It's discipline. It's war against your excuses. Master this one rule and social confidence becomes automatic. If this video hit you in the gut, smash that like button. It tells me to keep dropping more of these brutal psychological hacks. Comment below with your biggest takeaway and tell me exactly which situation you're going to use the 3-second rule in tomorrow. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stop waiting. See someone interesting. 3, 2, 1, go.